Welcome to a captivating journey where we explore the mesmerizing phenomenon of rainbows from both a scientific and spiritual standpoint. In this animated video, we will delve into the science behind rainbows, their enchanting beauty, and then transition into the Islamic perspective on rainbows. Rainbows are nature's breathtaking display of colors, created by the refraction, dispersion, and reflection of sunlight in water droplets. As sunlight passes through these tiny droplets, it undergoes a process that separates the various wavelengths of light, revealing the vibrant spectrum of colors we commonly associate with rainbows: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. In understanding the science of rainbows, we gain a deeper appreciation for the natural wonders that surround us. The interplay of light and water serves as a testament to the intricate design of the universe. In Islamic tradition, rainbows are viewed as signs of Allah's mercy and promise. The Quran, the holy book of Islam, mentions rainbows in a verse that reflects the beauty and diversity of Allah's creation. He it is who shows you his signs and sends down for you sustenance from heaven, and none minds but he who turns to him again and again. Quran 40:13. The Quranic verse encourages believers to reflect on the signs of Allah's creation, and the rainbow serves as a powerful reminder of the divine presence. One of the most well-known stories related to rainbows in Islamic tradition is the narrative of Prophet Noah, Nuh. According to Islamic teachings, after the Great Flood, Allah made a covenant with Prophet Noah and humanity. As a symbol of this covenant, Allah displayed a radiant rainbow in the sky. The rainbow is interpreted as a promise from Allah that such a catastrophic flood would never again befall the earth. This story underscores the significance of rainbows as a divine sign, representing hope, forgiveness, and a new beginning. Islamic teachings encourage believers to reflect on the signs of Allah in the natural world and express gratitude for His creations. The beauty of rainbows, with their stunning array of colors stretching across the sky, serves as a reminder to be thankful for the wonders of the universe. The radiant spectrum of colors in a rainbow is a testament to the harmonious design of the universe, encouraging us to appreciate the intricate tapestry woven by the Creator. Thanks for watching. Goodbye till next video.